In this video, I will show you how to convert iPhone video to slow motion. So the first step is to open the App Store and then search for CapCut, which is completely free. Then simply open CapCut and then tap on New Video. From here, we just have to select our iPhone video and then simply tap on Add. Now, once we get here, simply tap on the video on the timeline and then swipe until you see speed. Now, tap on speed and then tap on normal. And then, if you want to create a slow motion effect, you just have to drag this arrow to the left side so you can play around here and you can see the duration that changes and then press OK. And basically, that's it. Now we can simply tap on export in the top right corner, and now we just converted the iPhone video to slow motion.